How to delete TextNow account. First of all, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account you want to delete. Once you are in the app, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Scroll down until you see the Legal and Privacy section and tap on it. In the Legal and Privacy section, look for Request Data Deletion or Access and select it. You will see a question asking if you want to create a new request. Below this question, choose Request Account and Data Deletion. After selecting this, you will see a Delete My Account button. Tap it and a confirmation window will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. To proceed, select Delete My Account. Once you submit the request, you will permanently lose access to the account. If you decide to use TextNow again, you will need to sign up for a new account and you cannot create a new TextNow account using the same email address. Deleting your account will remove all personal information, preferences, and other data tied to that account. Now you know how to delete your TextNow account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.